What's up, everybody? This is kind of a tutorial on how to install an aftermarket stereo into your 2000, well, it's like a 2008 to 2010 Jeep Grand Cherokee. As you guys can see, mine is already gone. It's already ripped out of here. I already have all the plugs. I just bought it. It's back here. Still in the bag. The old one was kind of garbage. So, we got a new one. So basically the trick to getting this off, because it was kind of hard at first, because as you look, you know, basic knowledge says you pull this thing here out, except now you got it pulled out, this bottom section won't come out, and you're like, what the heck? So you actually got to take off this bottom trim piece right here. You have to take all that whole thing off before you can even take this one here off. Jeep gets you that way. So you got to start, just kind of peel up off the bottom. You want to be very careful not to break any of these clips. As you can see, I've already got one that's broken. I didn't break it, I got it that way because I had to replace it at one point. And then probably just, it's really hard to do this with one hand. But this piece here is just going to pop up. Basically just like that. You can take a screwdriver if you need to get down to the side edges. Get the e-brake out of the way. And just kind of pop all that up. Just like that. You gotta be careful. And you see, it's got these two little plastic inserts come down here, and this is the bottom of this bezel. So when you pop this off now, that whole piece, just like that. Oh, got the emergency flashers on. So, not that difficult. It's one of those tricky parts. The other tricky part now is trying to figure out how do you unhook all of this. So, I just turned it sideways. And then just start, you have freaking, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's like 6 plugs all together. But you don't even have to unplug that, because as you can see, there's plenty of clearance to already get back here to the radio. So just kind of pop that off to the side. Pop that off like that, spin that down to the side, move it over. If you're trying to get to any of this stuff here, you access it, you're going to have to go ahead and unplug all this stuff. I'm not going to unplug all that because I don't want to mess with it because it's already done. But basically that's it. And then, you know, go buy yourself the butt connectors and all that and do it all up. And this one here is actually wired up wrong, so I got to rewire it from a new radio. I didn't do it. Look at that mess. Anyway, so basically that's it. Remember to keep your parking brake off when you do it. The trick though is to not mess up this chrome piece right here. Don't mess that up. It comes off very slow. It kind of just slowly pops off, and want to go all the way around equally with it. These little tabs are kind of flared out a little bit. So just take it easy. Don't break that and you guys will be okay. Okay, remember to like, subscribe, share, all that fun stuff. Please subscribe. It really helps me out. We'll see you guys in the next one.